Have you ever wondered what lies at the very center of our Earth? This question has fascinated scientists and thinkers for centuries. Traditionally, our understanding of the Earth's core has been painted with strokes of molten iron and nickel, churning in a fiery dance that generates our planet's magnetic field. But what if there's more to this picture than we've ever imagined? A new theory, as audacious as it is intriguing, proposes a radically different heart for our planet: a black hole. This isn't an ordinary black hole, mind you, but a minuscule one, an infinitesimal speck of unfathomable density and gravitational pull. Could such an entity actually reside at Earth's core? If true, this theory could redefine our understanding of our home planet. Consider the Earth's rotation. Our planet has been spinning on its axis since its inception, without any signs of stopping. What's been keeping this colossal top spinning for over 4 billion years? Could the answer be a black hole at the heart of our planet, spinning at near light speed and providing the impetus for Earth's relentless rotation? And then there's the mystery of magma. This molten rock, a mixture of minerals and gases, resides beneath the Earth's crust, occasionally bursting through in dramatic volcanic displays. But what is the source of this magma? Could it be the event horizon of a black hole, where matter melts away into nothingness, creating the magma that fuels our planet's volcanoes? These are profound questions, ones that challenge our understanding of the Earth and its workings. A black hole at the core of our planet is a radical idea, one that might seem more at home in a science fiction novel than a geology textbook. But sometimes, reality is stranger than fiction. Science is a journey of discovery, a voyage into the unknown. And who knows what we'll find as we delve deeper into the heart of our planet? Could a black hole be the heart of our planet? This proposition certainly presents a fascinating twist to our understanding of Earth. What if the ancient pyramids were more than just tombs for pharaohs? Let's dive into a fascinating theory that suggests these ancient structures might have had a much grander purpose. Imagine the pyramids as colossal megaphones designed to communicate with the very core of our planet. Intriguing, isn't it? But why would anyone want to talk to the Earth's core? Well, let's add another layer to this theory. Remember the black hole we discussed at the Earth's core? Some propose that the pyramids were built to interact with this black hole using specific frequencies. Think of it this way. The pyramids were singing to the center of the Earth, engaging in a cosmic symphony with the black hole. The idea is that by altering the dynamics of this black hole, they could have caused it to eject more matter. This process could have led to the expansion of the Earth, causing the continents to spread out, a phenomenon we know as the Pangea effect. Consider the precision and understanding of physics this would require. The builders of the pyramids would need to know the exact frequency to use, how to direct it, and the potential effects it could have on the Earth's core. Not to mention, they would need to know about the existence of the black hole at the core in the first place. This level of knowledge seems far beyond what we understand about ancient civilizations. But before we dismiss this as mere fantasy, let's remember that the pyramids themselves are a testament to the extraordinary capabilities of our ancestors. Built thousands of years ago, their construction still baffles modern engineers and scientists. So could the architects of these colossal structures also have been aware of the cosmic secrets hidden at the heart of our planet? Could the architects of the pyramids have known about the black hole at the Earth's core? The idea is as tantalizing as it is mystifying. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our past, we may find that our ancestors were far more advanced and in tune with the universe than we ever imagined. Almost every civilization has a legend about a great flood. Could there be a scientific explanation for this? In uncovering the mysteries of our planet, we encounter an intriguing hypothesis. What if the Earth once experienced a vast planetary flood caused by a cosmic event? This theory suggests that the Earth may have passed through the sun's firmament, resulting in a deluge of epic proportions. For those unfamiliar, the firmament is a term often found in ancient cosmologies, referring to a vast solid dome or sphere believed to encompass the heavens. In this context, however, we're exploring the idea of the sun's firmament, a hypothetical boundary where the intense heat of the sun meets the extreme cold of space. Imagine, if you will, our blue planet venturing into this firmament. The extreme temperature differences could trigger a massive release of moisture, effectively raining down a global flood from the heavens. Intriguing, isn't it? This theory even finds echoes in biblical passages. For instance, the Bible mentions the absence of rainbows before a great flood. If we consider a rainbow's formation, it requires light, usually from the sun, moisture in the atmosphere, and a certain angle of viewing. If indeed there were no rainbows before the flood, it could imply a significant change in atmospheric conditions post-flood, consistent with the idea of passing through the sun's firmament. Moreover, the biblical concept of the firmament, described as a vast expanse separating the waters above from the waters below, aligns with the notion of a firmament surrounding our planet. This celestial boundary, influenced by the internal heat of the planet core, could explain the varying altitudes of clouds, and potentially the triggering of a planetary flood. Could the stories of a great flood be evidence of a cosmic event tied to the Earth's core and the sun's firmament? If true, this theory not only sheds light on age-old legends but also opens up new avenues in our understanding of Earth's geological history and its cosmic journey. What if the firmament is not just a biblical term, but an actual atmospheric phenomenon? Let's delve into this intriguing hypothesis, shall we? The term firmament is often associated with ancient scriptures and mythologies, conjuring images of a solid dome enclosing the Earth. But what if we were to strip away the antiquated connotations and reinterpret the firmament in light of modern science? Imagine, if you will, the firmament as the moisture enveloping our planet, the clouds, the mist, the vapors. This moisture, constantly shifting and changing, could be influenced by the internal heat of the Earth's core. In essence, our planet's core could be acting as a thermostat for the firmament, adjusting its height and density in response to variations in internal temperature. Think about the clouds. Sometimes they hang low, heavy with impending rain. Other times they're mere wisps, high above us, barely visible to the naked eye. Could this variability be a manifestation of the firmament's responsiveness to the Earth's core heat? It's an intriguing possibility, one that invites us to view our planet's climate through a different lens. This concept of the firmament could also extend beyond our own planet. Consider the sun, a fiery ball of gas with an incredible internal heat. Space, on the other hand, is chillingly cold. Could there be a firmament for the sun as well, a boundary separating the scorching heat of the sun from the icy cold of space? And what might happen if a planet, say Earth, were to pass through this solar firmament? One hypothesis suggests that this could trigger a planetary flood, possibly explaining how the Earth acquired its vast oceans. So, we return to our initial question. What if the firmament is not just a biblical term, but an actual atmospheric phenomenon? Based on this theory, the firmament could be a fundamental part of our Earth's climate, an element that is as relevant today as it was in ancient times. The firmament, then, could be a key player in our planet's climate, a concept as modern as it is ancient. Could the pyramids have been built to save the Earth from a catastrophic flood? This question leads us down an intriguing path of exploration. The theory we're examining proposes an astonishing scenario. What if the pyramids were not merely grand tombs or celestial maps, but sophisticated devices designed for a purpose far beyond our conventional understanding? This theory suggests that the pyramids were constructed before the Great Flood, not as mausoleums, but as defloodistation devices. The concept can be hard to grasp, but let's delve into it. The pyramids, according to this theory, were built to control, or rather, mitigate the effects of a catastrophic flood event. But how could these ancient structures possibly influence such a global event? The answer lies in the power of sound and resonance. The pyramids, perfectly tuned to a specific frequency, could have acted as a kind of megaphone, sending resonant sound waves deep into the Earth's core. If we recall our earlier discussion about the potential black hole at the Earth's center, these sound waves could have interacted with the spinning black hole, causing it to spew out more matter. This process would essentially make the Earth expand, like a balloon filling with air. As the Earth expanded, the floodwaters, instead of covering the land, would recede into the newly formed crevices and lower areas. The pyramids, then, were not just passive observers of the flood, but active participants in controlling its aftermath. This theory, while speculative, presents an image of a civilization possessing knowledge and skills far beyond what we've previously imagined. It reshapes our understanding of the pyramids as mere architectural marvels to potential geoengineering devices, designed to interact with the very core of our planet. The pyramids, then, could be the earliest example of geoengineering, a testament to a civilization far more advanced than we ever imagined.